welcome back to my channel. So, herzlich willkommen auf meinem YouTube-Kanal. Good to see you again after quite a long time. Well, it's been like 4 weeks, right? So I'm sorry if some of you are waiting for new videos. Here you go. So today's topic is how to make the W question in German, yeah? Okay, that's our topic. And I suggest you to watch my previous video about verb conjugation, so it's gonna be easier for you to watch this video. Let's get started. Los geht's! To make W question, you need, of course, the W word, verb and subject. Okay, I'll repeat. First of all, you need the W word, as you can see on your screen, the verb and subject. And don't forget to conjugate the verb depending on the subject. Now I'm gonna give you some W words. Ta-da! Okay. Now you have some W words, yeah? For making W question. For example, was, what, wie, how, woher, where from, wo, where, warum, why, and last one, wann, when. Okay, now let's use these words and making question number 1. We can start with what, yeah, which is was. Was ist das? Was ist das? What is that? Was ist das? Nummer 2. Wie, how. But for some situation, the meaning it's like what as well, yeah? If you ask for something like name, yeah? What's your name? What's your email address or phone number? You need wie, not what. So let's get started. What's your name? Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? A bit louder. Wie heißt du? Good. What's your phone number? Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? One more time. Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? Yes. Email address, the same. Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? How are you? Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Number 3. Nummer 3. Where are you from? Woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Nummer 4. Where do you live? Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Nummer 5. Number 5. Why do you learn German? Warum lernst du Deutsch? Ja, warum lernst du Deutsch? Yeah, that's my question to you guys. Why do you learn German? Warum lernst du Deutsch? But do it here for one person singular, yeah? If you all, which is ihr. Now let's start with do words. Warum lernst du Deutsch? If you want to change the subject, become you all. Warum lernt ihr Deutsch? So simple. Warum lernt ihr Deutsch? And last one. Wann or when. When were you born? Wann bist du geboren? Wann bist du geboren? Wann bist du geboren? Good. Good job. Okay, that's really simple, right? Let's repeat one more time, one by one. Was. Was. What. Wie. Wie. How. Woher. Woher. Where from. Wo. Wo. Where. Why. Warum. 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 And when? Wann. 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 Okay, das ist alles für heute. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you. Bis nächstes Video. Ciao. Schönen Tag noch.